Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. If you do not get enough vitamin D, you are more likely to experience fractures, muscle pain, and weakness. Your eyeballs do not grow or change their size as you age. Generally, only the vertical measure changes, but only by a small amount. Cream Puff, August 3, 1967, August 6, 2005, was the oldest cat ever recorded according to the 2010 edition of Guinness World Records. There is a correlation between pulling an all-nighter and snapping out of depression. This is because the brain gets more active the longer it goes without sleep. Aquaponics integrates fish farming and plant farming utilizing fish waste to nourish plants. This system can use as little as 2% of the water required by traditional farming methods. Japan faced problems with crow nests on their electric infrastructure and decided to remove them. However, this led the crows to build even more nests in response, exceeding their previous numbers. Pumice is the only rock that floats in water. Social media likes activate the same brain regions as winning money. 95% of the spiders in your house have never been outside. Men lost at sea for 29 days says it was a nice break from reality. A person can expect to breathe in about 40 pounds of dust over his or her lifetime. Positive events such as graduating, getting married, and a new job often lead to depression. The Chinese language does not require punctuation. Pain travels through your body at 350 feet per second. One out of every four cars made in the world is from China. 73% of college students report sleep problems, a study found. Only 1% in 2 billion will live to be 116 or older. An eyebrow typically contains 550 hairs. Transparent solar panels could replace conventional windows. Switzerland is now the most competitive economy. For the ninth time in a row, USA and Singapore comes next. A microwave consumes 99% of its energy on standby mode and not heating process. The cells in our body react to each and everything our brain thinks about. People are most likely to break up once they have hit the 3 to 5 month period in their relationships. In Mongolia, the horses have no names, instead, they are called by their color, and there are 212 different words to describe colors in Mongolia. In ancient Greece, the thumb was considered the most important finger and the one used to signal a vote. San Francisco International Airport is essentially built on top of 267 ball bearings whose support columns are capable of moving 20 inches any direction during an earthquake. Woody from Toy Story has a full name too, it's Woody Pride. The group of spikes at the end of Stegosaurid tails is called the Thagomizer. They had no distinct names until the term was coined in 1982 by a cartoonist. The White Christmas theme is an American Hollywood thing considering 75% of the world does not even have Christmas in winter. If your cat ever gets lost, put its litter box on your porch. Cats will be able to smell it from up to a mile away and follow that scent home. Studies show that cats provided with empty boxes become more interactive, friendly, and comfortable with people. Boxes offer them a secure space to snuggle, enhancing their sense of safety. Niger is home to the largest protected area in Africa. The Air and the Tenere National Reserves is the largest protected area in Africa, spanning a whopping 7.7 million hectares. Watching horror movies before viewing abstract art will enhance the experience. This comes from a recent study that proved our reaction towards abstract images improve when frightened. Adjusting your rate of speech can make you more persuasive. Slower speech gives someone who's bound to disagree with you more time to evaluate your point, add in their own thoughts, and dismiss your reasoning with their own existing bias. Amazing around the world sculpture expansion. Dramatic fairy dancing with Dandelion, vicissitudes, inner children trapped inside adult bodies, break through from your mold, raindrop, people of the river, thanks for watching.